Hi everyone, this is Samay. Welcome back to my channel. That's my life. Today I will be showing you how I make grilled crappie with turmeric leaf. It smells amazing with all this spice and herb together. Thank you Ken for sharing this fresh catch. Let's get started. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ Channel របស់នាងខ្ញុំ That's my life. ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញរបៀបខ្ញុំធ្វើត្រីអប់ជាមួយស្លឹករមៀត តោះទៅមើលទាំងអស់គ្នា Make sure to drizzle some cooking oil and add some salt. Wow, it smells amazing right now. I love the turmeric leaf and the holy basil together. It smells amazing. It's really a good combination. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. ស្លឹករមៀត ហើយនឹងស្លឹកម្រះព្រៅអបជាមួយគ្នាទៅគឺមានក្លិនឈ្ងុយឆ្ងាញ់មែនទែនសូមអរគុណដែលបានតាមដានមើលវីដេអូនាងខ្ញុំដើម្បីលើកទឹកចិត្តសូមជួយចុច Share Like ហើយនិង Subscribe អរគុណ